Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Google Review Bot as it solves a major issue for millions of businesses around the world that somehow they also get a negative review. This flow, as in the bot, is going to help businesses avoid getting negative reviews. So once you create an account, go to Flows, go to Templates, Marketing, and then you'll see this flow, Google Review, so you can use this flow and deploy it on WhatsApp or web chat. Alright, so the way this works is once they scan the QR code, we're going to ask, "It would be amazing if you give us a review. How did you like our services?" So obviously, they select something like 4 or 5 stars. We're going to give them a Google review message like, "Amazing! Would you like to leave a quick Google review?" Obviously, once they tap the review, this is where you will add your Google review link and save it. For instance, if they select 3, 2, or 1 star, we're going to get their feedback. We're going to ask how we can improve. You can edit this message however you want to. We'll ask, how can we help improve our services? In return, once they give us the feedback, we're going to tell them, here is a free discount coupon for your next purchase, or something like that. You can edit this message however you want to. If you use this flow on WhatsApp, you will already have their number. But if you're using it on web chat, you can add another block, which is get user data. And then you can add something like, can I have your number? On a web chat. So, in this case, or in this instance, we're asking for their name. Once we collect their name, we're going to give them the code and say thank you. So let me just show it to you how it works. Alright, we're just going to use web chat for now. Let's just say we're going to select 4 stars. And obviously, this is where the Google review link will be added. Now, let's say the other customer selects 3 stars. We don't want that, so we're going to ask for the input, improve quality. Obviously, that's what their feedback is, and we give them a discount so we can close them, or we can ask them to use our services again. So, we're going to ask for their name. And that's how we have given the code. Alright, now obviously, I would suggest it's better to use it on WhatsApp, because you already have the number, and obviously it's a personal number and you've already contacted them, so you can send broadcasts. Now we'll check the conversation. I'm going to show it to you for the inbox. If the customer is not satisfied at the end of the flow, once we send the thank you feedback message, it's going to notify the admin. From there on, you can assign this conversation to one of your team members to follow up with the customer and then personally call them. Or you can also add tags, or just send flows from the chat. So this is how we are helping businesses to avoid getting negative feedback. And it has improved a lot of businesses to get only positive reviews. They're also able to send a lot of broadcasts to unsatisfied and satisfied customers. So that's how you use it. Thank you for watching.